Hello, and thank you for your interest in QDROPlus. We've been working in family law for decades, and we know how stressful it can be to get quadros done in a timely and accurate fashion, especially when you don't do them every day. So we put together QDROPlus so that you could have a better way to get your quadro drafted and approved, period. We want to take the stress out of tracking down the plan requirements, the participant and alternate payee information that you need to put together an approvable qualified domestic relations order. We also want to make sure that the order is accurate before you submit it to the court. Once that is done, we track to make sure that the plan administrator gives approval for the quadro. Lots of times, attorneys will unfortunately drop the ball after an order is signed and not follow up and make sure that the plan administrator approved the quadro as submitted. You want to make sure that that happens because the plan administrator has the final say about whether or not your qualified domestic relations order is accepted or not. If you don't have plan administrator approval, then you don't have a quadro that's in effect. And that can lead to very serious consequences for your client and for you. So QDROPlus can help you through that by making sure that we reduce your workload, that we reduce your liability exposure by having a system in place to track the quadro all the way from drafting through approval. From that, you also get increased client satisfaction because their qualified domestic relations order is considered and approved in a timely fashion, and someone is there to make sure that it gets all the way through the process from drafting through court approval and then finally from plan acceptance. That takes a lot of pressure off of your firm to have to go back and track and make sure that everything gets done when you have moved on to a new case. So I invite you to put your email address in the box below, and we will send you information about quadro checklists and malpractice traps that are common in drafting qualified domestic relations order. And you can also take a minute to see if we can work well with you. And that is if you are a U.S. family law attorney and you have clients who need to have qualified domestic relations order prepared, and you do this as a part of their divorce or marital dissolution proceeding, we could probably help you do a better job at less expense to your client and in a way that presents you as an absolute professional in getting this done. And we'd like to take a chance to talk to you and see if we are compatible with your firm. So give us a call at 1-800-558-7058 or fill in the information at the bottom of the form in the contact information, and we'll be happy to get in touch with you and show you what we can do for you.